Welcome back to the Cornies Notes version, Health Matters Simplified, so you can understand. Today, we are looking at the mid-back getting started. So when we get started with the mid-back, we want to remember the spinal hygiene principles. And those are, first, we're going to move it, then we're going to stretch it, and last, we're going to strengthen it. And if it's too flared up, remember we don't strengthen it, but we ice it down. So when we start with our motion, well, we need to make some room, don't we? Come on, guys. Come on down. Good boy. Luna too. Good girl. All right. When we start with our motion, we're going to start in the quadruped position. This first one's called the cat-camel or the cat-cow, depending on which source you're looking at. When we do our cat-camels, we can be on our hands like this, or we can be on our fists like this. Now, if we're on our fists, we want to be like we're driving, not like we're punching somebody. So, let's get in position. When we do our motion, remember we want a slow, controlled movement. So we're going to arch our back and look up, and then relax out of it. And then we're going to tuck our chin and tuck our butt down, trying to get motion into our spine. So we arch and look up, tuck and look down. Arch and look up, and tuck and look down. Now that we've got it loosened up a little bit, we're going to sit back into the child's pose. So anyone that's done yoga knows the child's pose. We're going to put our hands out in front. We're going to sit back onto our heels, and you can feel that stretching there now through the back. And I like to add a head nod, because these are motion after all. So this is child's pose with a head nod. Now, where you go from here really depends on your mid-back pain. If your mid-back pain is more in the upper region, kind of in your mid-back into your neck, then you really can go to neck and shoulders getting started and do that. If your mid-back pain is really more in the mid to lower back, in the thoracolumbar region, then you'd want to go to the lower back getting started. So it really depends on where it is. But that's a little motion to get you going in your mid-back to help with your mid-back pain. We had the cat-camel, also known as the cat-cow, and the child's pose with the head nod. Thank you for watching the Cornies Notes version. And remember, get adjusted because it feels good.